Underfilling or overfilling a pothole with cold tar mix will change how the patch wears and how water drains from the pavement. Cold tar mix should be applied in layers no thicker than 2 inches, compacted with a hand tamper or vehicle tire after each layer, and finish slightly proud of the surrounding pavement to allow for settlement while maintaining a flush driving surface. Before adding material, clean the hole of loose debris, standing water, and dust. A wire brush and a few firm blows with a broom or air compressor work well. If the edge is thin, square it up with a cold chisel or hatchet to create a solid vertical lip so the new material bonds to stable surfaces. For small jobs, use a shovel and a tamper, and for larger patches, consider renting a plate compactor. Always compact from the edges toward the center to avoid trapping voids. When you add the mix, overfill slightly by about 1/4 inch because compaction will make it settle. Do not pour in a single high mound and expect it to level itself. After compacting, strike off excess so the repaired area is smooth and allows water to shed away from the patch rather than pool in it. If temperatures are very cold or the base is damp, warm the surrounding pavement with a propane torch briefly to improve adhesion and speed compaction and avoid patching in heavy rain. Common mistakes include underfilling, which leaves a depression that collects water and stresses the patch. Fix this by roughening the surface and adding more material. Compacting in thin lifts until the patch sits slightly proud, then releveling. Another frequent issue is overfilling, which creates a bump that breaks off under traffic. Correct that by scraping the excess away with a flat shovel or asphalt rake, and then compacting to match the surrounding surface. A third problem is poor edge preparation, which causes the patch to separate from the old pavement. Cure this by creating solid vertical edges, removing loose material, and ensuring each lift is well compacted and bonded to the cleaned edge. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists jobs where contractors can find new work, making it easier for both sides to match on projects like pothole repair. We also host an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from neighborhood experiences.